A very warm welcome to all our esteemed guest participants who are watching us on YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and Zoom platform, who have associated and joined I Can Care Sunday Live in a yet another episode and a very special one. Today is Valentine Day special event. And on behalf of the entire team of I Can Care, I welcome each and every one of you on this beautiful Sunday evening to a wonderful program on I Love You, Not Your Tobacco at I Can Care Sunday Live.
I call upon Mrs. Neeta Bhashin. She's again a wellness coach, and Neeta have been associated with me for quite a long time, since almost I say almost like 18 years. I have been acquainted with her. She is a certified wellness consultant with 20 years of experience. She is often known as a common sense consultant. She has a book, and I have that book with me. This book, Common Sense in Holistic Wellness. This book is there, and she has written this book, and she has got 30 years of experience as a Reiki grandmaster, has been helping her carrying out workshops at various places. She has got a background of psychology, psychology, textile designing by God, and a successful entrepreneurs. And she started her boutique by Palke Boutique since 1979 to 1996, and then she started working as a wellness coach and going around at all the places. So there are many things. I think she has been mentored by Ipsita Roy Chakravarti, and she has so many things. I think I just call Neeta to please talk about the no tobacco, please. It's common sense. Yes, it's a common sense, but what I always say is understanding is what is important. So, but simple common sense says that it should not be done. So I would request Dr. Neeta to put her thoughts on this.
Yeah. Hi friends, this is Neeta. Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you.
Okay, hi. So first I thought I'd put my goggles and say Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. Okay, hi guys. And first of all, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर साहब का, Dr. Priyanka ka, Dr. Harshita ka, everyone. I'm so grateful that we reconnected and I could be a part of this to talk to you on common sense, and very happy to talk on that. The first slide you see, it comes here, it says it's common sense, say no to tobacco. And यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा हमने ऑडियो भी लगाया. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Dr. साहब ने put it on. इसमें आपको एक बहुत रुदन सुनाई देगा, रोने की आवाज आएगी आपको बच्चे की. ये जो रो रहे हैं बच्चे, इनको आप ऐसे सोच सकते हैं जैसे ये हमारा शरीर है. हम बोलते हैं ये शरीर जो है हमारा मंदिर है, इसमें बहुत सारे सेल्स हैं, इसमें बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं, इसमें बहुत सारे टिश्यूज हैं, मसल्स हैं. जब आप स्मोक करते हैं ये इन सबको हार्म करता है और ये सब रोते हैं, पर आप तक आवाज नहीं पहुंचती है. आवाज आ रही? ये देखिए. पर ऐसे ही लाखों सैकड़ों बच्चे अराउंड द यूनिवर्स जन्म देने से पहले भी रोते हैं और जन्म देने के बाद भी रोते हैं, क्योंकि वातावरण में इतना दूषित हवा फैला रखा है इस टोबैको के कारण. जिस परिवार में माँ स्मोक करती है या पिताजी स्मोक करते हैं या दोनों ही स्मोक करते हैं, अब रो के बताने की कोशिश करता है ये मत कीजिए, पर किसी को समझ नहीं आती है. देखो, आप अपने घर में पोल्यूशन ना आए, आप एयर प्यूरिफायर लगाते हैं. आपका किचन स्वस्थ रहे, आप उसके लिए एग्जॉस्ट फैन लगाते हैं. इतना पैसा आप खर्च करते हैं. आप घर में झाड़ू पोछा रोज लगाते हैं, कॉमन सेंस. लेकिन क्या आप रोज अपने हार्ट को झाड़ू पोछा कर सकते हैं? क्या आप अपने लंग्स को साफ कर सकते हैं? आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू से कि जो चीज इतनी कॉमन सेंस की है उसको हम क्यों नहीं समझ पाते हैं. लोगों को समझाने की जरूरत है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओनरशिप लेनी पड़ेगी. कैन यू शो मी द नेक्स्ट आइडिया? तो बहुत जरूरी है कि पीपल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई दे वांट टू क्विट. तो अगर हम किसी की हेल्प भी कर रहे हैं तो हमें उसको आइडेंटिफाई कराना पड़ेगा. भैया, आप जब छोड़ोगे तो क्यों छोड़ोगे? आप किसके लिए छोड़ोगे? अपने लिए छोड़ोगे, अपने परिवार के लिए छोड़ोगे। जब उनका वाई क्लियर होगा तो उनको टोबैको को गिव अप करना या वो जो भी स्मोक कर रहे हैं उसको गिव अप करना बहुत आसान हो जाएगा हमारे लिए, उसको समझाना और उसके लिए समझना, क्योंकि उसके पास एक कारण है। कारण को आइडेंटिफाई करना, एक लक्ष्य को आइडेंटिफाई करना, उसकी हेल्प करना उसमें बहुत जरूरी है। तो स्टॉप कैसे करना और करना क्या है, बहुत आसान हो जाता है। इट्स कॉमन सेंस, वी ऑल हैव टू से नो टू टोबैको। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। ये एक ऐसा नशा है जो आपको एक हाई देता है। तो एच से होता है हाई रिस्क ऑफ डिजीजेस, हाई रिस्क ऑफ डेथ, हाई रिस्क ऑफ लूजिंग योर लव्ड वंस, और ये एक इल्यूजन देता आई, इल्यूजन ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। जो स्मोक करते हैं ना, एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिखाते हैं, फूक रहे हैं और एक लग्जरी गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं, ये सब एक इल्यूजन है, इल्यूजन ऑफ बीइंग अ गो गेटर। और आके मेरा स्टमक क्लियर हो जाता है, मैं स्मोक करता हूँ, नहीं, ये सिर्फ एक भ्रम है। So let's use common sense and not, I say no to tobacco. Next slide, please. Yeah, and then high में G आता है. It's important to know, go towards again your why. कि मैं क्यों इसको छोड़ूंगा, इसको छोड़ने के मुझे क्या फायदे हैं. Get rid of this habit. Get over this habit. Let's use common sense. Let's say no to tobacco. Next slide. Some common sense solutions which I have identified is be grateful. Write affirmations. इस affirmations भी दी हुई हैं जो आप लोग सुन सकते हैं, and you can connect and I can give you some very good affirmations which will depend on your need. And you can record, आप अपनी affirmations को record कर सकते हैं, उनको अपनी आवाज में जब आप सुनेंगे तो आपके subconscious mind में जाएगा और आपको support करेगा like a buddy, and it will help you to give up your bad habits. And best part, grateful can be your best medicine. It's free of cost, and your subconscious mind is with you 24/7. You pay no taxes on it. There's no side effects. So next slide, please.
मैं भगवान
Next slide. Yeah. ये जो हैबिट जिसके डॉक्टर्स ने बात की, एक हैबिट बन जाती है. If you change your habits, you can easily change your mindset. और हैबिट ना बड़ी हिलेरियस होती हैं. मैं एक छोटी सी आपको कहानी बताऊंगी. Very short one, but very nice one to make people understand when they find it difficult to give up smoking. एक व्यक्ति होता स्मोक करता था and he goes to buy an Indian flag, and वो दुकानदार जब वो बोलता है मुझे आप एक फ्लैग दिखाइए, तो दुकानदार कहता है कौन से साइज का, तो आप मुझे सारे साइजेस दिखा दीजिए. वो उसको छोटा दिखाता है, बड़ा दिखाता है, बहुत बड़ा दिखाता है. सारे देखने के बाद वो जो व्यक्ति है वो एक उसमें से चूज कर लेता है और चूज करने के बाद कहता है इसमें कोई और रंग है क्या. So, जब आप स्मोकिंग कर रहे होते हैं ना, या आपकी कोई एक हैबिट होती है तंबाकू चबाने की, तो आपको लगता है ये तो मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट है, सभी करते हैं, but it's a very hilarious thing, or it's like something, Indian flag only has one color, but you have a habit now कि हर चीज में पूछना कुछ और है क्या. ऐसे ही अपने मित्रों के बीच में होते हैं, तो हम कहते हैं एक सिगरेट है क्या. So please friends, use common sense, not tobacco. Next slide. Since Dr. Saab mentioned I'm a Reiki Grandmaster, Reiki has helped a lot of people to break habits. So if you know someone who's close to your house, learn Reiki, or you request somebody to send you Reiki, and it can help you to break your patterns which you find difficult to break. Next slide. Yeah. कई बारी जो स्मोक कर रहे होते हैं या टोबैको ले रहे होते हैं, वो हमेशा अपने आप को सोचते हैं, ओ द लिटिल मी, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, मैंने बहुत बारी कोशिश की है, मैं नहीं छोड़ सकता, आई रियली वांट टू. अगर दोस्तों, अगर आप अपने से ही हेल्दी रिश्ते नहीं रख सकते तो परिवार, फ्रेंड्स, देश, कम्युनिटी से कैसे रिश्ते निभाएंगे. पहला रिश्ता अपने साथ है. तो स्टॉप एंड थिंक एंड से नो टू टोबैको. यूज कॉमन सेंस. नेक्स्ट. इन द एंड रिमेंबर, हमारी रिलेशनशिप जो है, योर रिलेशनशिप with your health will stay with you till the end. Eat food with high nutritional value. Be high on antioxidants because withdrawal symptoms तो होंगे जब आप छोड़ोगे. Be high on phytonutrients to support your health on a daily basis. Remember to exercise every day. Sleep for 8 hours every day and take adequate rest. Friends, this is what I had to say, because these are common things, common sense things, which actually really help. Because कई बारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हम भूल जाते हैं. अगर हम रोज ये करेंगे तो बहुत आसान है हैबिट्स को गिव अप करना. So happy Valentine's Day to you all. Thank you. अनेकों धन्यवाद
Thank
सबको.
It was really wonderful, Neeta ji. Definitely a lot of aspects that you have said. It's a common sense. It's a simple common sense. No to tobacco. Say no to tobacco. But आपने बहुत ही अच्छा example भी दिया. And this is what I say. अगर खुद अपने health का अपने साथ नहीं निभाएंगे तो दूसरों से कैसे निभाएंगे? One thing that I always say to a lot of people, tobacco user is a social worker. He's a social worker. He thinks about everyone in the society. He thinks about the tobacco vendor. He thinks every day because of tobacco, 3,700 people die. 3,700, that is equivalent to 10 bombers, 10 jet being bombed or crashed every day. अगर हमारे ये देखें तो this is a very painful death, and it's not a simple, and definitely it needs an intervention. It needs everyone to join hands together. हम लोग जब साथ में जुड़ेंगे, and the सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि it is a socially acceptable custom. अभी आदित्य जी ने बताया कि we should go to the झोपड़ीज and the rural areas and then talk to the workers there. But दुख की बात यह है कि if you look into your own club, sir, maybe there you will be finding that there will be a lot of people who are working, who are taking tobacco. And then in addition to that, if you look into it, if you extend your presence a little more, and if you go to the house of each one of your members, there would be maids, there would be the drivers, there would be the mali who might be taking tobacco, and they need to be guided. And then if you go to each loin member is an industry in himself. They have got a huge industry. They employ a lot of people. And if you look at the employment, there will be a lot of people who are taking tobacco. अगर हम अपने आप को सबसे पहले बहुत दूर ना जाते हुए, बहुत ज्यादा दूर ना जाते हुए, केवल हम अपने आसपास और अपने को एक ये जो सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल कस्टम है, इसको हम लोग एक सोशल आउटरीच की तरह हम लोग कर लेंगे, हम उसको एक्सेप्ट ही ना करें. So if you do not accept this thing as, then it itself will become it will change the society in itself, and ये झुग्गी झोपड़ी वाले जितने हैं, they themselves will start getting out of tobacco. So this is where we launched this program, the Save the Youth campaign. और Save the Youth campaign क्या है? What is युवा बचाओ अभियान? वो क्या है? Number 1, sensitize, संवेदनशील बनाना. Number 2 is assist, that is मदद करना. Number 3 is volunteer training program, that is where we train a lot of people to become to be part of the network for tobacco cessation, that is प्रशिक्षण करना. And enforce tobacco, SAVE, sensitization, assistance, volunteer training and enforcement. Sensitize, किस चीज का sensitize करें? This is very important. So आदित्य जी को मैं बताऊंगा. Number 3 things we want to sensitize. Number 1 is be smart, do not start. जागरूक रहें, प्रारंभ ना करें. Number 2 is be careful and fearful. Be careful and fearful. Please mark my word. Be careful and fearful of tobacco. People using tobacco around you, and win over tobacco made easy. That is कि तंबाकू को हम लोग आसानी से छोड़ सकते हैं. So this is the sensitization program. And then assist, that is assist to quit tobacco. So we have got everything with us, ready with us. ICAN Care has developed each and every protocol to help people quit tobacco. We have got the quit line, we have got the app, which Rishabh will be talking about, the self-help books, the online cessation methods, cessation centers, online group counseling methods, online consultation, e-commerce portal, so that the medicines can be sent to the person who is requiring it, and ICAN Care app. Then the network, the network is very important to develop the volunteers, the marshals, the ambassadors, alliance partners, and specialists. And this is where we are working. And of course, the enforcing tobacco-free zones. So be careful and fearful. This is something what I specifically say. हमें एक outreach करना है. We have to create that feeling among the society that we will refuse, we will not accept anyone taking tobacco. Refuse to take tobacco. हम खुद नहीं लेंगे तंबाकू. We will not refuse to take tobacco. Refuse to be a friend of a tobacco user. जो तंबाकू लेता है उसका साथ में हम दोस्त भी नहीं रहेंगे. Refuse to marry a tobacco user. This is very important, and this is what I specifically put for the Valentine's Day. हमारे आज के Valentine's Day में हर लड़के को ये चीज करना है कि tobacco users के साथ नहीं देना है. Refuse to employ a tobacco user. refuse to work with the tobacco user. अगर कोई आपका boss है, अगर आपका कोई senior है, आपका कोई colleague है, if he's taking tobacco, then we have to help them, or we have to make them get rid of this tobacco. So be careful and fearful, and that is why I've said second hand and third hand effects of tobacco are there, and each one can be affected. So this is very important. So at I Can Care, what we have developed, and this is in a nutshell, we have developed the app. We have developed a digitalized protocol-based treatment. This is the first time such a thing has happened in India. So it was never there earlier, and it is a change that is taking place. And we have equipped tobacco wellness centers. We have one at Max, and we are having multiple centers, one at Muradabad, and we look forward to have more centers at Ghaziabad, at other places. Then training a certified tobacco cessation specialist. We have got trained tobacco cessation specialist. Harshita is a CTCS, which is we are doing from Gujarat University. The self-help materials are there, e-pharmacy is there. The quit coach, which is again a person who wants to quit tobacco, उनको हम लोग hand hold करते हैं so that we can help them to quit completely. Central quit line number is there, which is there. This number is there as a quit line number, and the community network model is there where we can work at this. So a tobacco wellness program is a well-balanced program. It is a digitalized program, and it is individualized for the person, and it individualizes depending upon the requirement of the person, whether the pharmacotherapy is required, behavioral intervention is required, how to manage the withdrawal symptoms. The associated illness management has to be there, and the immunity, because these patients are low in immunity, we need to take care of. So अभी मैं एक ही चीज कहूंगा, कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा, तंबाकू को इर्द गिर्द भी नहीं होना चाहिए, and this is what we have to say. And we will be learning more on this Valentine's Day special. We will be learning more from the learned speakers who will be talking about it. Those who still use tobacco, I Can Care is there to help you. Please understand, अगर आपके आसपास में भी कोई भी तंबाकू यूज करना है, just bring them in, and we will be there to help. Every one of you rise and take. Everyone has to rise and be empowered to save the youth. So this is where the need of the hour abhi is the manpower. You know, a lot of people, we just talk about tobacco. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि तंबाकू खराब है, तंबाकू नहीं लेना, but हमें skilled manpower की जरूरत है. We need to have more tobacco marshals. We need to have tobacco ambassadors and tobacco specialists. And this is what I say: network at all the levels of the society. From the जो जैसा बताया कि to go to the periphery, to go to the villages, we need to have a lot of volunteers. We need to have tobacco marshals at each and every unit, every society, every RWA. We need to have tobacco marshals, tobacco ambassadors who are again the motivators for the people to quit tobacco, and of course tobacco cessation specialists. They have to be trained. तभी सबसे बड़ी बात है कि lot of doctors are there who say that tobacco is bad, but they are not trained how to help people quit tobacco. So we at I Can Care are here to train, and this is what we are looking for. We have trained a lot of people. We are having marshals, we are having ambassadors, and we are planning to train as many specialists to make a number of them. So we have created the resources as well. The books are there. The Be Smart, Do Not Start book is there for the sensitization, and it is available in Hindi, English, Odia, Gujarati, Marathi, and it is a comic sort of a page book which can be given to all the schools and every place. And then we have got this assistance for the We Know Tobacco Made Easy, for the training for the doctors, you know, tobacco cessation, and a comprehensive guide is there. And for the people who want to help the institution to be tobacco free, we have got the Making an Institution Tobacco Free basic manual. So these are the ladders, these are the steps, and we are lucky that we have this I Can Care Academy has been accredited by the Gujarat University, and we have got the training program at I Can Care to empower each and everyone in the society, and to have a put a full network in the society to take care of this tobacco, which is the biggest menace in the present era. So you have to take the lead on this Valentine's Day. I request everyone here to take the lead. Just call 011-430-77695. Everyone can note down this number. We have the community page also. Please join us and take the lead to make our society tobacco free.